friends, welcome back to my channel. And obviously today I'll discuss about one topic. But before discussing or before going to the topic now, I'll tell you one thing. We all believe one religion. We all have faith on our God. But basically what I believe there is one more God is there, that is time. Time is very precious and very priceless thing. You cannot hold back the time. You cannot go back to the time and change the thing. If you know how to use the time, how to utilize the time, then only you can get the success in your life and obviously you can achieve your goal. Because time is perishable item. You cannot hold back or cannot go back and change the thing. So you need to understand the value of time. If you know the actual value or utilization of the time, then only you can get the success. The first few things I will tell you. One day equals to 24 hours for all, for Bill Gates, for Amazon owner, or for me or for you. But how to use that 24 hours, that is totally depend on you and depend on me. How will I use that time? I need to know the basic tips. There is 4 tips are there, 3 tips is there. That is efficiency, next one is productivity, and third one is result. If you have the skills, if you have the efficiency, if you have the proper tools, you can get the actual product. So productivity will come out only if you have the skills and talent. Last one is result. Yes, obviously if you know how to use your skill, or the tools or talent, then only you can get the good result. So you need to know that how will I manage those things. So before going to anything, I'll tell you one more thing. We all have our personal life and professional life. If we do not understand or do not segregate our time limit for the professional and for the personal life, we will mix up those things. We cannot complete our task within the time, so we need to hold the time, we need to do the extra time for the professional life. So we cannot give our time to our social or friends or in family. So properly utilizing time is most valuable thing. You need to understand this thing. So first of all, you need to know few things, the benefits of time management. If you understand the benefits, obviously you will be interested to implement those things in your life. Benefits you will get, you will reduce your stress from your mind. You will be confident enough to do something. If you know that yes, I can do that task within the time, then you will be confident. The productivity will be best, and last thing, you will be getting a good professional and personal life. The work-life balance will be there properly. So you will get a good life in your entire life. So the thing is that you need to understand the basic few things. The urgent, not urgent, and the important and not important. If you know, if you prioritize your work, then only you can plan your work. If you understand what I have to do it right now, then only you will be able to do it within 2 hours, within 3 hours. If you know what you have to do after 5 hours or after 1 day, then only you can plan, you can categorize your things according to the time or according to the task. So you need to segregate those things. If you know how to segregate, your work-life balance will be better. So obviously I can say one last thing, that time management is very crucial thing and priceless. If you know how to use within the time, your productivity, efficiency, and with the tools, you will get the best result, I can say. Thank you guys.